Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the Hryfine to 50% or more and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Hryfine app and sign in because the app authorizes device changes. Once done, enable location and background app refresh so the phone can provide accurate network time. This prevents offsets. Now pair the watch from the app's devices tab, tap Add Device, follow prompts, and accept permissions when asked. This gets you into the synchronization flow. You will now finalize pairing and choose how the watch gets time. After tapping Add Device, confirm the 6-digit code shown on both devices. This secures the link. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Time Sync and select Phone Time or Network Time depending on your preference. Phone time follows your device, network time follows carrier servers. Make sure Auto Sync is on and pick a sync interval. 1 hour for precision, 6 hours to save battery, or manual if you prefer control. You finish by forcing a manual sync from the app and checking the watch time against your phone. It should match within 1 minute. If it doesn't, restart both devices. This clears temporary Bluetooth issues and then try syncing again. Repair only if restarts fail because repairing resets settings. If problems persist, update the watch firmware and the app. Outdated software often causes sync conflicts. Finally, contact Hryfine support with the device model and firmware version if you still cannot resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.